Hi there, NALyzer here. In this video, we are going to show you how you can set up your home screen like this one that I'm using here in my smartphone. This simple white icon pack looks really cool in this dark wallpaper, and this minimal clock widget makes it more beautiful. But before we start the customization, I have something to say to my regular audience. So this channel is basically about tech with animation, and when I tried animation for the first time, it took me about 9 hours to make that. And your response on that video was awesome. I mean literally no comments at all. Your comments are really important, so please let us know what you think about this animation and help us to improve. Okay, so to make this setup, you will need to download 3 apps. Any launcher app that supports icon pack. I'm using the Poco launcher because it has app drawer, and this icon pack named Flight icon pack, and KWGT custom widget maker. I'm using the free version. You can also use the paid version for 99 rupees with more customization. All the links are given in the description. Once you get all these apps installed, then follow these steps. That's about it in this video. I hope you like this minimalistic home screen setup. If you did, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this one, and also subscribe our second channel named NALyzer Tech. The link is given in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.